ever notice how the higher you climb, the quieter it gets? Success doesn't just change your life, it changes your circle, and that's not always a bad thing. Welcome to 5 Minute Genius, where we decode the psychology of life, success, and personal growth so you can make wiser decisions and live with confidence. Today's topic is one that almost no one prepares you for: why success distances fake people from you. This might sound like a bad thing at first, but by the end of this video, you will see that it is actually one of the most powerful filters life gives you, and it might be the very thing that protects your energy, your focus, and your future. The hidden cost of success. Success is beautiful, but it's also disruptive. When you start leveling up, earning more, thinking bigger, working harder, it shines a light on the people around you, and suddenly you begin to notice something. Not everyone is happy for you. Some friends start making subtle jokes about your goals. Some family members act distant. Some people you thought were loyal quietly disappear. At first, this hurts, it feels personal, but here's the truth: it's not about you. Psychology calls this social comparison theory. When you succeed, it reminds people of where they are. For those who are insecure or secretly unhappy with their own lives, your success feels like a mirror they don't want to look into. And if you're not careful, this is where many people sabotage themselves. They shrink their dreams just to make others comfortable. They stay small to keep everyone close. But here's the reality: you cannot grow and stay surrounded by everyone you started with. And that brings us to why this distancing is not just natural but necessary. If this is resonating with you, take a second to subscribe to 5 Minute Genius, because here we don't just talk about success, we help you build the mindset, discipline, and clarity to handle everything that comes with it. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never face these challenges alone. Why success filters fake people. Reason 1: success exposes true intentions. When you succeed, you stop being just another person in the crowd. You become a mirror that reveals who people really are. Fake people are skilled at pretending when you're on their level, but the moment you rise, their true feelings leak out. Suddenly, you see envy in their compliments. You notice their support turns conditional. This is painful but also a gift, because success removes the mask for you. It saves you years of wasted loyalty to the wrong people. Imagine no longer having to guess who is real and who is not, because success shows you in crystal clarity. Reason 2: success changes the energy you attract. Psychologists call this selective affiliation. As your mindset grows, you naturally stop resonating with people who thrive on gossip, drama, or negativity. It's not that you outgrow them, it's that your priorities shift. And here is the key: fake people feed off the old version of you, the one that complained, procrastinated, or stayed comfortable. When that version of you dies, they lose their supply, and instead of rising with you, they fall away. If you resist this process, you risk staying stuck in rooms where you no longer belong. Reason 3: success protects your focus. Success demands more focus, more discipline, and more emotional energy. And fake people are distractions. They drain you with their hidden jealousy, backhanded comments, and emotional games. Life has a way of removing them so you can have the mental space to pursue your next level. So instead of mourning the loss of fake people, celebrate it. It means you are exactly where you need to be, building your real circle. Here's the truth: you don't need 1,000 people around you, you need a handful of real ones. When success clears the room, don't rush to fill it again. Take the time to notice who stayed. These are the people who clap when you win, not just when you struggle, the ones who push you to grow, not pull you back into comfort. And when you find them, invest deeply. Build a circle where growth is celebrated, where honesty is valued, and where loyalty is mutual, because with the right people around you, success doesn't just get easier, it gets more meaningful. But if you keep clinging to fake connections out of fear of being alone, you will sabotage the very progress you worked so hard for. So let them go. Let success do its work, and watch how much lighter, clearer, and more unstoppable you feel. If this message hit you hard today, then let this be your reminder: success is not just about what you gain, but what you lose. And sometimes, losing fake people is the most powerful win you can have. If you want more wisdom like this, subscribe to 5 Minute Genius right now, because your future deserves the right people and the right mindset to match the greatness you're building.